go have some fun. All right. Clear the handle. Awesome. Good grip. Make sure that grip is nice up and tight. There you go. Now roll that hand to the other. Very good. All right, we're starting here. All right, shooter ready. Stand by. Nice and easy trigger pull. I know it's a weird trigger. There you go. Good hit. Good. You just have to hit him. One more. Good. All the way to the end. All the way to the end. Right here. One target. Good. Come here. Shoot that big target. Good hit. Good hit. Right here. 2 shots. Reload. Good hit. Right here. One more. Good hit. Right in front of you. Good hit. All right. Top. No, don't reload. Top. Bottom. Slower. There you go. There you go. Keep it going. There you go. Top. Reload. There you go. Top. All right, reload. Keep going. There you go. On your right. Two shots. Good. All the way forward. 2 shots. Good. Little guy in front of you. Good. Good hit. Good hit. All right. Nice. Drop the mag. Bracket. Awesome. Lock the slide back. Holster. Range is clear and done. Pick up your shit. Right. Right. 133.88.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Don't forget that thing to flip.
I couldn't get anything to flip.
Got the magazines. Jim, I got him. This is small. We're gonna take it to the road.